Standard 2nd, Grammar, Chapter number 6, Special Names. Ravi is a boy. He is playing with a ball. You can see in the picture that Ravi is a boy and he is playing with the ball. Sonu is a boy. He is flying a kite. Who is Sonu? See here. And he has a kite. Gagan is a boy. He is on the swing. So you can see the boy, he is on the swing. His dog Tommy is near him. You can see the dog is also near to him. So here they have given that with red color Ravi, Sonu, Gagan, Tommy means they have given special name. Okay. So boy is the common name. Here you can see the boy. For the above three person in the picture, but they have special name also. How we can know that special name? The special name of the first boy is Ravi. You can see here they have given special name to the Ravi. If I will say boy, then you will not understand that which boy. Okay, but here they have given name, particular name means per special name they have given that Ravi. Okay, the special name of the first boy is Ravi. The special name of the second boy is Sonu and special name of the third boy is Gagan. Others common name used in the above sentences for these are ball means here they given ball. Ravi, what he is doing? Playing ball. So it is a common. Which ball they have not told, but ball. Okay. Here Sonu is boy. He is flying a kite. Kite means it is also common name. Swing is also common name. Dog is the common name used for the animal. So here they have given name of the dog, the Tommy. So it is also a common name used for the animal. Special name are given to the place also. Delhi, Nagpur, Goa and special names of the places. So it doesn't mean that this on this basis you can write any place name. Okay. Pet are also called the special name. Tommy is the special name of the pet dog of Gagan. Here they have dog means common name, but here they have given special name to the dog that it is a Tommy. Day, month, festival, books, river and newspaper also have special name. Monday, June, Eid, Holi, the Bible and the Times of India means Monday. So days of the week. So they have given special name to the days of the week that Monday it is there. Then month. Then which month? Then they have given here example of June. Festival. Which festival? Eid festival. Which book? Holy book. Which rivers? Ganga or else. Then they have given newspaper. Then Times of India and all. Okay, they have given examples here. Now special name. There may also have special name. Cadbury chocolate, Colgate toothpaste, Barbie doll are special names. Places and person have special name. Pets also have special name. Something may also have the special name. Special name always begin with the capital letter. So whenever you are writing special name, then we have to begin with the capital letter. For example, Sagar name it is given right here. So first letter means first alphabet we have to write in the capital letter. Okay. Here Monday. So Monday is also special. So we have to write first letter in the capital. I like to eat tasty treat biscuit. So tasty treat TT we have to write capital. Okay. My dog Tiger was born in July. Means Tiger is a special name given to the animal and July. So July is also special name. So it begins with the J. So we have to write capital later. Now Delhi is a big city. So we have given particular place name. It is a Delhi, right? So Delhi also we have to write in capital later. Now exercise it is there. Pick the word. Pick the naming word given in the box and write them in a columns for common name and special name. Remember the first letter of the special name begin with the capital letters. So I have filled this exercise here, that common name. So which is the common? Table. So many types of table it is coming. Dining table it is coming. Then you are writing that study table it is coming. So it is a common name, right? So we have written here table in the common. Okay. Now here special name. As I told that whenever you are writing special name, that first letter must be capital. So Yamuna it is given. So here we have to write first letter capital. So Y capital Yamuna. Then city. City is a common name. So we have written here city. So that you have to write here. In the same way, here they have written Suresh. So first letter must be capital. So Suresh. Now Suresh after Kanpur. So Kanpur is also special name. So we will write Kanpur here. India. India is also special name. Why? Because there are many countries and from that India is a name of the particular country. So we will write India as a special name. July. So July is also special name. So we have written here July, first letter capital and July in the special name. Pin. So it is a common. Eid. Eid is a particular special festival. So special name is given. So Eid will come here in special names. Fruits. It is a common. But in fruit, if you will say that banana, apple, then it is a special name. But here they have told only fruit. So we will write here in the common name. And book. So it is also common. Which book? English, math, science, SS. So here only they have told book. So we will write here in the common name. If they have given name of the particular book, their SST or science or maths, then we will write in the special name. But here they have told us to book only. So we will write here in the common names. Okay. Now exercise B. Circle the special name in the sentences given below. Radha is a girl. So they have given special name to the girl. So her name is Radha, right? So Radha we have to do circle. Special name it is there. Simla is on the hills. Means it is a special place. Place name is given. So Simla is a special name. Mahatma Gandhi was a great man. Who is the great man? Mahatma Gandhi. So it is a special name. Kitty is my pet cat. So they have given special name to the cat is Kitty. So we will do circle on the Kitty. Now Yamuna flows through Delhi. Yamuna is also river, means they have given name, particular special name to the river. So we will do circle on it. And here Delhi. Delhi is also special name given to the city. So we will do circle on the Delhi. Okay. Now exercise C. Circle the common name in the sentences given below. Common names means we will use for the common. Okay. The boys are playing means they have not told any special name. Boy means we don't know that what's their name. I will speak that one of the boy come here. So who will come? No one. But if I will say that Parva you come here, then Parva will come. Paksh you come here, then Paksh will come. Right? So here it is when I will speak name of the person means Parva I said, then it is a special name given to the boy, Parva. So here they have used only boy. Boy means it is a common name. My school has a garden. So school has a garden. So school is a common place. We don't know which school. Okay. And garden. All they have garden in our home also, at our home also garden. In our school also it is garden. Right. And any public place it there, then also it is a garden. So it is used for the common name. I keep my books in the bag. So they have used common name bag, but which type of bag? And books, which book? So it is a common name. The road is clean. You can see the road, but which road they had not told where it goes. Okay, and it is a clean. There are big tree on both side of the road. So tree, which tree they had not shown, and road. So which road it is there, that also we don't know. Don't think this, because I have used this old textbook for the explanation. So please student, you understand this much. And value corner it is there. Christmas is the special name of the festival. The Christmas your parents decides to distribute toys to the children in an orphanage, what will you do? Help them keep most of the toys for yourself, or ask your parents not to disturb the toys? What you will do? Obviously we have to give gift to the orphanage, right? So we will help them. So we have done tick mark here on the A option. You understand this? And here upper chapters end.